Make sure to stand to the end. If you do not apply the correct amount of pressure at certain points, you will destroy your door panel. Stay with us, we will explain where all the hidden clips are located as well. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys 3 or 4 series F30, F31, F32 guys. And if you need to guys remove a front door panel, we'll demonstrate on the driver's side front left door panel. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not very complicated removing that door panel, but if you don't know where to apply pressure, where all the clips are hidden, you can actually destroy it guys. So we're going to cover very helpful information. Make sure to stand till the end. It will work on both 3 and 4 series BMW, practically from year 2013 all the way to year 2018. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So what we need to do first, right here this cover needs to come out guys. Okay, this cover will need to be removed if it has a few clips, so let's go ahead and do that now. So we will start with panel removal 2. Do not do this part first, you're going to start from the top. You have one clip that goes in this angle, so you need to do that clip last, because it needs to kind of like slide towards the front. It's very important guys, okay, to remember that. So you can see, so we start like that slowly, we pull out slowly, and it came out. Okay, this is the clip that we need to slide. You can see in that spring over here, otherwise it can damage it guys. Now what do we have here? Here it's a Torx guys, Torx 25 or Torx 30. Okay, one, both, hard to see, I think it's Torx 25. Let's try Torx 25. Okay, one on top, perfect, and then we'll have one on the bottom. So that's what we're working on now. I didn't see that hole here, that's a little bit disturbing here. Perfect, working on the second one now. Okay, let's go ahead and find it maybe sometime today. Okay, we're going to probably get it sometime soon. Let me see now. Okay, make sure that it's right there. Okay, first time. So we got that one. Now guys, you have hidden things here. If you remove the door panel, you will not be able to disconnect the window switch. So first we need to go ahead and remove the window switch, and we'll explain okay how to do that now. So the window switch, you have 4 metal clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So we're going to get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, this is one of the metal clips right there. Let's press this one in. Okay, we might need to get a small screwdriver to push that one in, because I will not be able guys. Okay, I want to show you where that clip is. It's that shiny little thing right there. So let's go ahead, push that in, only in. Okay, let me get one more tool. 1 second, I need to work with 2 of them. Okay, let's press on the clip now. Okay, it didn't come out. He has one more towards the front too. Let me see where the other one is. Okay, right there. Well, the thing is, it's a little bit of a mess. Whoever designed that thing. Okay, I can see it towards the front there. Okay, we have these 2 clips that we need to press. One here and one on the front. Right there, more a little bit to the front. Right there, yep. Okay, let's see now. So let us show you now about our window switch. Right here there will be hidden clips, 1, 2, you have 3, 4. But you have a hard time getting them out. You come on the front, if you come towards the front, you lift up a little bit on the front, and it kind of like slides, and then to the front it comes out. One clip here on the front, guys, two on the back. You can see this one just slide out. So the clip that we have on the front, okay, it's that clip, okay, right there. That, I think it was supposed to be that way. Okay, that clip is this way. You're supposed to push it in, this clip on the front, you push that one in, you lift up, then you come on the back, okay, and you slide it back. Now we can disconnect the window switch, okay, like that, press down and pull it out. You can see, just like that, we got it out. So now we shouldn't have any more screws. We should be able to practically remove the door panel with a panel removal tool. We're going to get usually on the front, okay, and you're going to start getting these clips loose. Sometimes when you get your hands underneath, you can start pulling. If a clip breaks, we'll put a link where you can buy replacement clips at a really good price, because sometimes they will break, sometimes they'll be exposed to a lot of heat, guys, during the years, so they can actually break. Okay, this one we're going to lift up there. You can see it has metal clips here. Pull up more. Okay, that thing will come out. Now we need to disconnect, guys, the cables. You can do it in two ways, from the inner door handle or from here, guys. So whatever is more convenient for you. Here it's very easy. You can just pull it that way, pull it like that. Okay, you can see. And the only thing that we need to do now, here we have one clip. Okay, we need to get a clip removal tool to pull that wire, and that's the window switch connector. You can see how we cannot reach the window switch. Here, oh, careful, this is the light. Okay, this is the light for the door panel, and here, this is the flood, the light when you open on the bottom. Okay, so it can actually illuminate underneath. So door panel, you can see, came out just like that. So now watch now the clips. Sometimes you're going to get those rubber bushings. You need to install them so that way the panel doesn't vibrate and you don't have noises later. If any of the clips comes off, you just slide it out. Okay, if it came off and it's stuck on the door, you remove it and you push it back on the panel. If it's broken, you just replace it with a new one, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Let's explain where all the clips are located so you know what to expect from the back side of the door panel. Okay, we're missing one thing still here. Okay, let's see if that door has been removed before, because I do not see actually one soft bushing is missing, so we'll need to buy a replacement one here. But starting here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clips that we have to remove that door panel now. So you can see, guys, that's how we remove door panel on BMW 3 or 4 series. Not very complicated at all. It takes practically only a few minutes to do that if you know what you're doing. Otherwise you can severely damage it, or if you pry the wrong way, you can actually break those things off the door panel as well. So make sure you're careful. Try to apply pressure where exactly the clip is. That way, okay, you're not putting any pressure on other parts. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.